Parc Cenedlaethol yn rhedeg o Llandidoch yn y gogledd am 186 milltir i Amroth yn y de. Mae penderfyniadau y Parc Cenedlaethol yn llawer aelodau, a mae'n bwysig na bod ni fel aelodau yn cael hwnna'n iawn. Dwi wedi bod yn aelod o Parc Cenedlaethol sy'n benfro nawr am 20 blynedd. Dwi wedi dysgu dipyn bach, dwi wedi dysgu pethau wyn i ddim yn meddwl byddwn ni'n nabod, a dwi mor falch bod fi wedi cael y siawns na i dysgu. Beth dwi wedi mwynhau mwyaf yw siarad a gweithio gyda pobl lleol. Y pethau dwi'n gweld yn bwysig yn y Parc Cenedlaethol yw'r pobl. Mae'n bwysig na bod ni'n gwneud siŵr na bod dyfodol y parc yn mynd i fod mor gryf a bethau gallwn ni wneud.
You've got to love the outdoors, you've got to love the environment that you live in or are going to represent. You've got to want to protect it for the future, because if we don't, nobody else is going to. But we've got to work with other people to be able to do that. So we've got people with a passion for rivers, water quality, wildlife, land, business, education, which are all relevant to all the things that we actually provide and promote. So whatever skill set you have, I'm sure can be used within the national park. It's about looking after our most treasured places, preserving them, and together we can do that.
O fi wedi geni tu fewn y parc, o'n i wedi briod tu fewn y parc, o rhaid mi o myddfau. Mae'r plant i gyd wedi cael ei ddysgu addysg ym Mhonsenni, Crai a'r Ysgol y Baronddi. A wedyn ni, ni'n teimlo mor passionate am oed i fe, achos y diwedd y dydd, ni gyd yn byw yma. A mae'r parc dim ond, mae ddim just am boed i touristwyr, mae'n gyd am boed i pobl y parc. Mae holl bywyd fi wedi bod ffarmio. Ni wedi bod un o meithwyr o Cymru dros hanner can mlynedd. Pob un o'r aelodau sy'n yn y parc, maen nhw'n dod o rhywbeth wahanol mewn ato ni. Y geiriau fi gallu gweud wrth aelodau newydd, un peth mae rhaid nhw cofio, mae challenges o flaen ni, a challenges fawr. A bydd rhaid ni tynnu yn gilydd i deall beth ni moyn, siwr ni'n mynd i trafod nhw, a i pawb sy'n byw a gael bywoliaeth yn y parc, yn cefnogi ni i tynnu nhw trwyddo.
I've been a member of the park for about 6 years now. It's been a privilege being part of the National Park. I was attracted to being a member of the park purely because of its diversity, and it's one of the most beautiful places on earth. The 3 parks we have in Wales, Pembrokeshire on the coast, Brecon Beacons and here in Snowdonia. Collectively, we're trying to enhance the enjoyment people have when they come to a park, and we want them to do that, but do that safely and do that sustainably, so they're not leaving a permanent footprint.
Dwi'n hoffder i fwyaf ydy y prydferthwch am yr ardal ac yr amgylchedd o fewn y parc. Mae'n bwysig iawn bod ni'n edrych ar ôl y cymunedau o fewn parc. Dwi'n meddwl dylsa aelodau newydd fod yn frwdfrydig a dod â syniadau os gynnyn nhw i fewn i'r awdurdod, newedig syniadau am yr amgylchedd, yr llesiant, a oherwydd mae'n adag mor heriol, fydd hi'n braf cael rei newydd sydd anger ac yn frwdfrydig bod i gario'r parc ymlaen am y 5 mlynedd nesaf.
I had a passion about the open and countryside and what the rural area can do. So for me, coming into the national parks over the years, I've broadened my knowledge in the open environment and what it can deliver, supporting the members and officers through the pandemic to ensure that our beautiful open countryside is here for everyone to access. As a member, it's ever changing, so we have Welsh Government appointees and local government appointees. So you're going to have a real diverse type of membership, and they will all bring different types of expertise, from tourism to agriculture to environmental. And we then have that structure to put our thoughts forward so we can all listen and learn off one another, put our points of view across, will allow us to make a really strong decisions for our communities.